Ready to turn your RTX 3060 into a digital gold mine? Let's dive into Ethereum mining. First, ensure you have the latest Nvidia drivers installed. Head over to the Nvidia website, find the driver specifically for your RTX 3060, and download the installer. Run the installer, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the driver update. This is crucial for optimal performance and stability. Next, choose your mining software. Popular options include Trex Miner or NiceHash for this tutorial. We will use NiceHash for its user-friendly interface and ease of setup. Download NiceHash from their official website and install it on your computer. Be cautious when downloading from unofficial sources. Once installed, run NiceHash and let it benchmark your RTX 3060. This process helps determine the most profitable mining algorithms for your card. Follow the prompts within NiceHash to initiate the benchmarking process. This might take a few minutes. Now, let's optimize your card for mining. Open the Nvidia control panel, navigate to manage 3D settings, then program settings. Find NiceHash in the list, or add it manually. Set the power management mode to prefer maximum performance to unlock the full mining potential of your GPU. Apply the settings. Addressing potential hashrate limiters, primarily with older drivers, might be necessary. Some earlier RTX 3060 cards had artificial limitations. Ensure you are using the optimal driver version that unlocks the full hash rate. This often means experimenting with slightly older versions. Finally, click the Start button in NiceHash to begin mining Ethereum. Monitor your hash rate, temperature, and earnings. You can fine-tune your settings further to achieve the best balance between performance and stability. Remember, this was before Ethereum's transition, so these instructions only relate to how to mine Ethereum before its merge. Happy mining!